Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Toro Matcha. This is pineapple flavored. I did one on their peach. It wasn't the greatest. The citric acid really threw it off a bit. I actually would rather they just have the more of a green tea aroma to it. But anyways, this is their pineapple flavor, so let's try this out. So we got the nutrient panel there. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And because it's matcha, it has 60 milligrams of caffeine, less than 60. So there you go. Just let that know. But it's got sparkling water, organic, natural flavors, Japanese matcha, and citric acid and chlorophyll. Again, the same ingredients. So I'm guessing this is not going to taste like what I'm thinking. So let's try this out. Okay, so it has the aroma of pineapple, but the citric acid, I don't know why they put it in there. Yeah, it has the aroma of pineapple, but you don't get any green tea taste, and it tastes kind of weird. So, because it's not like, how you would think that pineapple would have a slightly sweet taste to it. It has nothing like that, and it just has this weird, and the citric acid, green tea itself could have that bitter notes, but they put that in there, I think, to hide it as well. So it has this sort of pineapple aroma with a slight bitterness at the end, and it's not, and you're expecting the matcha, but you don't really get it. So it's all right. It's all right. But it's not I actually would prefer the bubbly, but that's me. Alright guys, see you in more videos.